focus on me. Point number two, just know that during the day, if you're going to be traveling to Venice, Italy in the month of June, just know that during the day it can get hot. Like right now it's about 80 degrees hot. It is very hot. So you want to make sure that you dress light and comfortable. The other thing about Venice is if it rains, if it happens to rain, the tide, if you take a look at the canal water tends to come up on the sidewalk. Depending on what part of the sidewalk you're on, the canal water can actually come up on the sidewalk, and so you want to make sure that you have proper shoes. The other thing that I learned since being in here is that it doesn't make sense bringing platform shoes, all the cute shoes we like to wear. You got to make sure you have on flats because you can see the ground is very gravelly. And there's a lot of walking in the city. You don't catch a cab from your hotel room to the next restaurant. You catch a water bus or you walk. You trek to your next restaurant. So just pack in comfortable clothes and make sure you have your shades, your suntan lotion, because it does get hot in Venice in June. Point number two.